In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and format text in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating documents, reports, and letters, and one of its core features is the ability to edit and format text to make your content clear, professional, and visually appealing. Knowing how to properly format text helps improve readability and ensures your documents look polished and well organized. To begin, open the Word document that contains the text you want to edit or format. Start by selecting the text with your mouse or by placing your cursor where you want to make changes. You can click and drag to highlight a portion of text or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A to select all text in the document. Once your text is selected, you can make basic edits like typing, deleting, or replacing content. Microsoft Word also allows you to use undo and redo commands, found in the Quick Access toolbar, or by pressing Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Y to redo changes, which helps you quickly fix mistakes or reverse edits. For formatting, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here you'll find several tools grouped into categories like Font, Paragraph, and Styles. In the Font group, you can change the typeface, adjust the size, apply bold, italic, or underline effects, and even change the text color to make important points stand out. You can also apply effects such as strike-through, subscript, or superscript depending on your document's needs. Next, in the Paragraph group, you can adjust alignment, line spacing, and indentation. For example, you can left align, center, right align, or justify your text to create a clean and structured look. You can also create bulleted or numbered lists to organize information effectively. The line and paragraph spacing option allows you to add or reduce spacing between lines or paragraphs for better readability. Another useful feature in the Home tab is the Styles group. Here, you can apply predefined styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, or normal text. Using styles ensures consistent formatting across your document, which is especially helpful for long reports or professional documents. Additionally, you can access advanced formatting options by right-clicking selected text and choosing Font or Paragraph from the context menu. This opens dialog boxes where you can fine-tune spacing, character effects, and more. By using these tools to edit and format text, you can make your Microsoft Word documents look professional, organized, and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.